Is it normal for my air conditioner to run all day? Yes, it can be normal during extremely hot days, especially when the outside temperature is above 95 degrees. But if it is running nonstop, even on milder days, that usually means something is wrong and it is working way harder than it should. Think of your air conditioner like a marathon runner. On a really hot day, it makes sense for that runner to be sweating and working hard the whole time because the conditions are tough. But if that same runner is exhausted and gasping for air on a cool, easy day, something is definitely off. The same idea applies to your air conditioner. A properly sized and working system should cycle on and off throughout the day, cooling your home and then resting once it hits the temperature you set. If it never shuts off, common causes include low refrigerant, a dirty air filter blocking airflow, a thermostat set too low, or even a system that is simply too small for your house. One thing most people do not know is that a unit running constantly at a steady temperature is often more efficient than one that is short cycling, meaning it turns on and off rapidly, since that rapid cycling actually wears out the compressor faster. One common mistake homeowners make is ignoring a dirty air filter, thinking it is not a big deal, when in reality a clogged filter chokes airflow and forces the system to run much longer to cool the same space. Check and replace your filter every 1 to 3 months to fix this easily. Another misconception is assuming a bigger air conditioner always cools better and faster. Actually, an oversized unit can cool the air too quickly without properly removing humidity, leaving your home feeling cold but sticky. Get a professional load calculation done to make sure your unit is the right size for your home. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.